Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Here, click on the video icon with a pink background. Now, in order to go live, you'll have to allow Tango to take pictures and record videos. If you click on while using the app option, Tango can only access your camera while using the app. Similarly, if you click on only this time option, Tango can access your camera right now only and will ask your permission the next time you want to go live. So select the option that you prefer. Again, you'll also have to allow Tango to record your audio. So click on the option that you prefer. You'll also have to allow Tango to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Here you can see the Go Live option. Tap on it and you can go live through your Tango account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.